Are you in search of a reliable, efficient, and easy-to-use lawnmower to keep your lawn looking pristine? The LawnMaster MEB1114K electric corded lawnmower might just be what you need. This mower promises a seamless mowing experience with its powerful motor and user-friendly features. But does it deliver on these promises? Let's dive into a comprehensive review to find out. The LawnMaster is equipped with an 11-amp motor, ensuring powerful and efficient cutting performance. Its deck measures 15 inches, though the cutting width is 14 inches, providing a good balance between coverage and maneuverability. The mower includes a 7-gallon cloth grass collector, which is designed for effective grass clipping collection and easy handling. The height adjustment lever allows you to choose from 5 cutting positions, ranging from 1.4 to 3 inches, making it versatile for different lawn conditions. Additionally, the handlebar is adjustable to 3 different lengths, enhancing comfort for users of various statures. The padded handle also helps in reducing vibrations, making prolonged use more comfortable. The mower boasts a sturdy plastic construction, which is both durable and easy to clean. The deck's smooth underside prevents grass buildup, simplifying maintenance. Its lightweight design and large rear wheels ensure easy maneuverability, even in tight spaces. For added convenience, the mower is foldable, allowing for compact storage. Interested in this lawnmower? Check the detailed description and get your LawnMaster on Amazon today. Understanding the strengths and weaknesses of the LawnMaster can help you make an informed decision. The cons: there's cord length limitation, requires an extension cord for larger areas. It's a single starter, right hand only, might be inconvenient for some users. Material durability: cloth grass catcher may wear out faster. Cutting width: actual width is 14 inches despite a 15-inch deck. The pros: powerful motor. 11-amp motor handles tough grass and weeds effectively. Adjustable cutting height. 5 height options for customized lawn care. Ease of use: lightweight and maneuverable with large rear wheels. Comfort: padded handle reduces vibration. Compact storage: foldable design for easy storage. Effective grass collection: 7-gallon cloth bag collects clippings efficiently. Have thoughts or experiences with this mower? Leave a comment below and share your insights with the community. In summary, the LawnMaster MEB1114K is a solid choice for homeowners with small to medium-sized lawns. It offers a powerful motor, adjustable features, and ease of use, making lawn maintenance less of a chore. However, potential buyers should consider the limitations of its corded design and the durability of certain materials. Overall, it provides good value for its price and can significantly enhance your lawn care routine. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button for more product reviews. Happy mowing!